We've spent this whole series making AI more powerful, models that can generate almost anything in any form. But power without control is dangerous, and an AI that will say or do anything is a liability, not a product. So this episode is about the unglamorous but essential other half, safety. How do you stop a helpful AI from being harmful? NVIDIA open sources the tools for that too, and for any serious deployment, they might be the most important models of all. Left unguarded, a powerful model will happily follow a bad instruction. It can be tricked with clever prompts into producing harmful content, violence, hate, dangerous HowTOS. It can be manipulated by attacks designed to jailbreak its rules. It might leak private information or simply go wildly off topic and embarrass the company that deployed it. For a hobby project, that's annoying. For a bank, a hospital, or a government, it's unacceptable. You need a bouncer at the door. That bouncer is a guardrail model, and this is NVIDIA's Nemotron Content Safety. It's a specialized classifier whose only job is to judge safety. It reads a message from a user or from the AI and decides, is this safe? Or does it cross a line? It works across a dozen languages and even on images, not just text. You place it around your main model, checking what goes in and what comes out in real time. The pattern is simple and powerful. Before a user's message reaches your AI, the guardrail checks it and blocks anything harmful or manipulative. After your AI generates a reply, the guardrail checks that too, catching an unsafe answer before it ever reaches the user. The newest versions let you define your own policy, your company's specific rules and forbidden topics, and they don't just flag content, they explain why. It's the difference between a demo and something you can actually put in front of customers. This is the quiet reason open safety models matter so much. The exciting models, the ones that write and see and act, get all the attention. But none of them can be deployed responsibly without this layer around them. By open sourcing its guardrails and the datasets behind them, NVIDIA lets any organization add serious, auditable safety to its AI without handing control to a third party. Trust isn't a feature you bolt on at the end. It's a thing that lets everything else ship. So safety is the layer that turns raw capability into something the world can actually use, an open guardrail, checking every input and output, keeping a powerful AI in balance. We've now covered the full toolkit for building trustworthy, capable AI. But NVIDIA's open models reach into places you might not expect, the deepest problems in science itself. Next episode, AI for biology and the climate. See you there.